Hello.
Hi. Hi. Hi.
Hello. So, you have found the next clue, Brandon.
Hey.
Read it out loud to everybody.
This time I won't tear it.
Did you tear the clues?
Yeah, Bailey did.
Bailey tore the clues. Okay. Oh, come on, Brandon.
I'm trying not to tear it.
You're bouncing.
Come on, Brandon. Carter, get back over there.
Come on. You read it.
Read it out loud.
You read it out.
Read it out loud.
Crazy weather. We tried our best. We haven't even brought.
We have brought in special guests.
Oh.
You've known all along, but we hope you had a few laughs, especially when the look on your sister's face is worth the secrets and the chase. We will now part the crowd and wait for her to scream out loud. What?
Bailey.
Walk to the window.
Look at the window.
Happy.
You knew? What?
Come here.
There's an open door.
Go outside.
Plane's locked.
Go.
I'm gonna cry.
Everybody go outside now.
Oh, I forgot my jacket.
It Brandon knew.
Hop.
I hate y'all.
Get in.
I don't want to.
Get in.
I hate y'all.